Yo, what's up?
Alright, how are you doing, guys? I hope that you are, all of you are still well, good, in shape.
Because I feel cold.
Because we're feeling cold. Alright, so now we are in Kintamani. We are on the top, and this is the best view to see Kintamani. You know, whenever people come to Kintamani and then just stop here. So
Just
weather.
behind me, where is my head, is the Mount Bachelor volcano.
Yeah, and then lucky that today is sunny. Normally from the last week it's very bad rain in Bali, but now lucky that we are here. Yeah, a little bit cloud. So yes, now we are going down to the lake and let's see how it is down there.
How is it? And I took my drone today with me, so will be some shots.
Wow.
Okay, let's go. Let's check this out.
From Poland?
Hello, how
Poland? Warsaw, Krakow?
Gdańsk.
Kan?
Gdańsk.
Guys,
Yeah.
this is my friend from Poland. This is my friend from Poland.
Oh wow!
This is my friend from Poland.
Beautiful.
Wow! Look!
How many languages you speak?
Many.
Many.
Oh, wow!
This from Poland.
Like this, mom.
What's that?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, mom.
Ah, nice! What does it say in Polish?
Hello, mom.
Over here is the set. Dziękuję za miłe negocjacje i ładny rysunek. Wszystkiego najlepszego, Diana. That's me, and thank you for the nice negotiations and the beautiful painting. All the birds, Diana, and this is the paintings.
Oh, look at
Yeah.
that!
Have a look, okay?
Very nice.
So we drive without engine off, so you can hear the sound of silence.
Alright, so Damian switch off the engine. So we are going down to the lake.
Very nice, by the way, very nice.
Alright, we just arrived in the small port actually in Kintamani. This is called Kadesan port. Well, this port that normally whenever you go to Terunyan village, that's the Terunyan village. So Terunyan village is the village that original Balinese, it's called Bali Aga, where the original Balinese tribe live there. They have a like special cemetery, but unfortunately we cannot go there because it's closed. Yeah, normally that day if we wanna go, we can go by here. Well, this is how it is now. It is the port, and yeah, normally people go here, just go fishing, as you see, but today is not much fishermen.
Aman dulu di bawah rambutnya jadakan ini nanti tenan.
Tenados, nggih.
1 minggu pola giliran cepet.
Nggih.
Niki batu dari latar.
Napi niki, Bu?
Niki giok, niki taruh menyan.
Nggih.
Siki mah.
Kudean niki, Bu?
Iku 35 giok.
Alright. I decided to buy something as to support her, as she said, like nowadays, you know, like the sellers are limited here, so one sellers only like once a week are allowed to sell their product here. So I bought this one. It cost me how much, Ibu? 35k. So I support her. Alright, so now we are in Batur water park. Wow. This place is kind of empty, but they have a really nice water park. Yeah, so this place also facing with the lake, and as you see over there is the fisherman. Yeah, so what kind of fish that is living here? So in Kintamani Lake, they are famous for mujair fish. So later on, for lunch, for sure, we will eat mujair fish. So in Kintamani, also famous for the hot spring water. So the hot spring water is just coming from the, you know, down underground of the Batur mountain, the hot one. So, oh, so warm. It's so warm. Well, actually because I didn't bring my swimming, and then I just come here just to have a coffee and chill and flying drone. So Damian got his drone, and then he just wanna test flying here in Kintamani. All right, so as you see here, there are many fishermen who is fishing. Like I told you, they are famous for mujair fish. And then, napi ini ke kerambang Nika yang di dalamnya ada mujair kan Tan? Okay, so there inside that, oh look at that, that's the fisherman. So that's inside, it's called karamba, like a special pond that the fisherman built in the, like in the lake. All right, I have a small talk with this guy. They are fishing, and then suddenly that the fish, what is it, the hook is broken. So this is how it is. And then just behind me over there, look, behind me is, I think that there is a new hotel or resort or kind of like cottage or bungalows. So yeah, that's cool. And then I think this is gonna be a swimming pool overlooking the lake. They are still building. All right, so I borrowed the fishing rod. Now it's time for me to go fishing. I hope I will be lucky today. Look, I will fish Ajis, Ajis. Only small fish. These guys, actually they are coming from Bali. They just come here for fishing. Comment below if you really like to go to fishing in Kintamani, guys.
So I have to catch it.
Careful. Go down. Oh.
So check this out. This is the new small drone. As you can see, it's very small. You can basically put this on the yeah, like this. That's it what you get. Very small. It's 249 grams, as you can see over here. So it's legal to fly in the Western countries, I mean like in Europe or in Australia, without any registration or the pilot license. In Bali anyway, you can have a drone up to 2 kilo. It's legal, so very nice.
Good job.
Short flight today, but for sure in the next few days will be more. So the drone, when you fall down, is so small like this. Check this out. This is my hand. It's literally very small, but it's much better than my 4 times bigger and more heavy drone. This is 250 grams. It's so light, and this is what is come in the box. You get the bag, drone inside, see? Like this. Controller over here, and the batteries with the multi-charger. That's it. That's simple. That was actually exactly this was in the box. When we opened box, I said, where is drone? And that was just in the box. So nothing to unbox too much, because of course papers and the charger. But okay, we're gonna go now to the having drink, and we're gonna go to the top of the Kintamani, where it's called. Alright, so we arrived to the one restaurant in Kintamani with the beautiful view of the Agung Batur volcano and the birds flying around, and we got the very local food what is only sold in this area.
Kintamani, it's mujairnya nyat, and it's famous for that.
Tell me more about the food.
Look at this one. This one is mujair, you know, mujair, that fish that live in the lake where we went there in the lake, and they put like, you know, special seasoning, turmeric, chili, Balinese spices. So yeah, so this make like the taste of the, you know, because this is unsalted water fish, so yeah, it make taste like more yummy.
Alright, so my food arrived with the beautiful view. Okay, so today is a little bit different. So I have something typically Western, which is this beautiful pancake with the coffee. And my Sayang have a very local, actually, Kintamani dish.
Yeah.
Which is, in one picture you can see the mix between local Asian culture and Western culture. Actually, it's sometimes good to do something extraordinary, right?
Yeah. So we would like to say thank you so much for those who already bought us coffee in the Buy Me Coffee.
Yeah, that's the new website what we run. Thank you so much, really appreciate. And yeah, we will continue our vlogs like always, every single day. After our food, the weather has changed. Just in 10 minutes you cannot see already anything. It's just cloudy and it's rainy. And actually it's going to be very rainy, and we're going home. Now we're going by bike, as you know. So it's a lot of fun.
It's big, raining and foggy on the road. So this is how it is driving by bike. Cold.
But yeah, I would like to say one more time, thank you so much for every support, and
Thank you so much, and thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow.
like always, 4 p.m. See ya.